G'day, my name is Mike Nimmo. I'm a new home design consultant for White House Builders and Energy Efficient Homes. So we're looking at a plan we've named the Riviera. It's a build that we're doing in Preston's Park. It's an energy efficient build, and our client came to us initially with a plan that he was looking at that kind of fit the section, but being from Germany, he's not all that keen on building a new home that's going to be cold and damp and have the same problems that all the housing in New Zealand does at the moment. So he's approached us to build him something that's going to be more in line with the houses that they have in Europe, that are nice and warm and you can walk around in shorts and t-shirt in the winter. They're quiet, they're comfortable year round. With the house, we started off by looking at the section and setting out all the setbacks and that sort of thing, and designing a house that would fit the section in particular. It's a great section, it's got an east-west orientation, meaning we can put all the living area out to the north. Always the first thing to consider when building an energy efficient home: where's your living area going to be and where's north? Then when we build the house or design the house, we start off by looking at what's going to function, and then we move into what's going to make the house look pretty. Because at the end of the day, if the house doesn't function, then there's no point making it look great. As far as function's concerned, there are 5 energy efficient principles that we put into a house. We start with the foundation, and we insulate underneath the floor and around the edge of your foundation. We then go up the walls with a system called ProClimer. It's a airtight wrap that would replace your standard building paper. It's 100% waterproof on the outside, and it has a vapor barrier on the inside, designed to keep your insulation dry. The other bonus there is that on a standard 90mm frame with a 45mm batten, we end up with an R value, or an insulation value is in your wall, of R4. Building code says that you need 2, so we're going double the building code as a starting point. Then from that point on, we go into Upvc tilt and turn windows. Normally on an energy efficient build, we would start with double glazed windows, low E coated, argon gas filled. Simon actually made the decision throughout the process of the build that he wanted to upgrade these to triple glazed windows, which it's another step up again. The windows become more efficient, they become quieter, and then those windows complete the air tightness layer. After we make the house airtight, we're going to blow a door test it just to make sure that there are no leaks, and we'll always guarantee that we'll get an energy efficient build below 1 air movement per hour. So really looking forward to seeing what that comes back as. And once the house is airtight, we put in a mechanical ventilation system to bring fresh air into the house and take the stale air out of the house. This is going to remove any moisture and make sure the house is warm and dry and comfortable. And the biggest benefit of it is that it means you have no hot or cold areas in the house. The whole house ends up being one constant temperature. The next step that we put in is a heat pump hot water cylinder. This will sit outside the envelope, or sit outside the house. The system we're currently using is a steel Lowther system designed in Germany, so for temperatures that get much colder than we get here. And these systems are designed to cut your hot water heating bill by at least 70%, which most of us know is one of the biggest parts of your electric bill. That's a summary on our build in Preston's Park, otherwise known as the Riviera. If you want to learn more about our energy efficient builds and the processes and procedures behind them, or if you want to talk about your build, feel free to book a consultation with myself or one of the sales team and make a time to come and see us. Alternatively, come out and say good day at our show home out in Rolleston at 52 Leonard Drive. I like dealing with the clients, I like that side of things, I like helping people, and at the end of the day, part of our job is helping people get into their dream home.